measurement using gyroscope. So first see the what is mean by gyroscope. Om Metkari, just lecture is starting and you are placing your roll number. Okay? So see the working of gyroscope. Central axis is there and 3 rotating circular ribs is there. See the 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional diagram of gyroscope. Here within 2 to 3 minutes draw this diagram. Only this diagram, 2-dimensional diagram, draw this under the heading angular acceleration measurement using gyroscope. Give the heading angular acceleration measurement using gyroscope. Angular acceleration measurement using gyroscope, and draw only this diagram. Draw only 2-dimensional diagram within 2 minutes. Actual working of gyroscope. Draw only 2-dimensional diagram. Draw this diagram. See the concept of gyroscope. It is a device used to measure the angular velocity. Okay. Spinning wheel or disc, which is the axis of rotation, means spin axis, is free to assume any orientation by itself. Here. This is spinning axis. When rotating, the orientation of this axis is unaffected by tilting or rotation of the mounting according to the conservation of angular momentum. Okay. This is the principle and concept of gyroscope. Here, there are two types of angular velocity. First one is a spin angular velocity and second one is a orbital angular velocity. Based upon this angular acceleration, there are two types. First one is a spin angular acceleration and second one is a orbital angular acceleration. Okay. So in spin angular acceleration refers to angular acceleration of a rigid body about its center of rotation. Means angular acceleration based upon rigid body about its center of rotation, and orbital angular acceleration refers to the angular acceleration of point particle about a fixed origin. See the difference of spin angular acceleration and orbital angular acceleration. In spin angular acceleration is based upon rigid body about its center of rotation, and orbital angular acceleration based upon a point particle about a fixed origin. This is the difference between spin angular acceleration and orbital angular acceleration. Okay. So write down the principle of gyroscope. It is a spinning wheel or disc in which the axis of rotation in bracket spin axis is free to assume any orientation by itself. Full stop and next line. When rotating, the orientation of this axis is unaffected by tilting or rotation of the mounting according to the conservation of angular momentum. Then write down, there are two types of angular velocity. There are two types of angular velocity. First, spin angular velocity, and second, orbital angular velocity. Also, two types of angular acceleration. Called spin angular acceleration and orbital angular acceleration respectively. Spin angular acceleration and orbital angular acceleration. Full stop and next line. Spin angular acceleration refers to the angular acceleration of rigid body about its center of rotation and orbital angular acceleration refers to the angular acceleration of a point particle about a fixed origin. Okay. Today stop here. Place your roll number and leave the meeting immediately and join the TPO training session.